Hello everyone, I'm Shweta and I'm a postgraduate. I have done my bachelor's and master's in applied psychology. In this video, I will discuss a psychology topic which is psychology and other disciplines. Seventh is psychology and other disciplines. All those disciplines which deals with human beings are relevant with psychology. In this, we will discuss 8 such disciplines which are relevant with psychology. First, philosophy. Second, medicine. Third, economics, political science and sociology. Fourth, computer science. Fifth, law and criminology. Sixth, mass media. Seventh, music and fine arts. And eighth, architecture and engineering. First, philosophy. Philosophers were concerned with human nature, human motivation, human emotions, nature of the mind, etc. On these, Wilhelm Wundt and other psychologists did experimental research and studies. And then, psychology as a discipline was developed. Second is medicine. In this, doctors realized that a healthy body needs a healthy mind. That means to fight any physical illness or disease, healthy mind is required. For example, patients dealing with or suffering with serious illness or diseases like cancer or AIDS require physical treatment as well as psychological counseling to increase their motivation to obey the doctor's prescribed diets and medicine. Third is economics, political science and sociology. In economics, psychology has contributed to understand or study the economic behavior, which is understanding consumer behavior, savings behavior and in decision making. In political science, psychology has contributed to understand the issues related to power, authority, nature of political conflicts, and resolution of political conflicts along with the voting behaviors. With the combination of sociology and psychology, behavior of individual within their socio-cultural context is understood and explained. Also, issues related to socialization, group, collective behavior, intergroup conflicts, etc. are also understood in sociology and psychology. Fourth is computer science. Both computer scientists and psychologists are working for intelligent computers. That means the computers themselves can feel and sense. Fifth is law and criminology. In this, the focus is on understanding how much does the witness remember about the incident. Secondly, what are the factors that can influence the decisions of the jury? And thirdly, what are the signs or body languages of the person who is guilty? Sixth is mass communication. The focus is on understanding the influence of print and electronic media on the human's thinking, attitudes and emotions. Seventh is music and fine arts. In this, music and emotion are studied and researched, and also music as a therapy called music therapy is also used in psychology. Eighth and last is architecture and engineering. Psychological phenomena and principles and knowledge are used by architects and engineers to make an appropriate design according to human habits and those designs which are aesthetically satisfying. Thank you. For any queries, you can mail me on this email ID. For more information, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye-bye.